Hello!
Hello, everyone!
Welcome back to Easy English with Mr. Jax and Anna. I am your host, Mr. Jax, and today we are going on a little adventure, a big adventure, a wallet-crying adventure.
Yes, we are going shopping at the mall.
Shopping.
I love shopping. Clothes, shoes, snacks, bubble tea, more snacks, and maybe more snacks?
Same, but today is not just about buying things, it is about learning easy English for shopping in the mall. Super simple, super useful, super fun.
But wait, Mr. Jax, before we start learning, we must do something important.
Ah, yes, dear listeners, please like this podcast, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Yay!
Thank you so much. Okay, Anna, imagine this. You and I walk into a big shopping mall. There are bright lights, many stores, many people, and the smell. Oh yes, the smell of fresh pretzels. Ah.
I love that smell. It smells like happiness.
And the first thing we need to know in English is how to greet people.
Yes, usually they say hello or hi, how can I help you?
Exactly, very simple. So what can we say back?
We can say hello or hi, just looking, thank you.
Perfect. Say it again slowly.
Hi, just looking, thank you.
This is a magic phrase because sometimes we want help, but sometimes we just want to look. Look around, touch things, check the price, maybe cry a little.
Yes, sometimes we cry when we see the price.
Let's teach our listeners the top 10 simple English phrases for shopping in the mall. Okay, number 1, the most important. How much is this?
Yes, so useful. Say it slowly. How much is this?
Number 2, can I try it on? Great for clothes, hats, shoes, jackets. Maybe not great for trying on a fridge.
Yes, please do not try to wear a refrigerator.
Phrase number 3, do you have a bigger size?
Or a smaller size.
Both.
Both. Do you have
Do you have a
Bigger
bigger or
a
smaller
size?
size? Phrase number 4, do you have this in another color?
I use this a lot. I love black shirts. Black shirts are my personality.
Phrase number 5, where is the fitting room? Fitting room equals the place where you try on clothes.
Phrase number 6, it's too big or it's too small.
Phrase number 7, I like it or I don't like it.
Phrase number 8, I'll take it. This means I will buy it. Very useful.
Phrase number 9, sorry, I will think about it.
And phrase number 10, thank you for your help. Always be polite. Polite English makes everything nicer.
Okay, let's practice a real conversation. You be the shop assistant, Anna. I am the customer.
Hello. Welcome to Happy Short Store. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm just looking. Thank you.
No problem. Let me know if you need help.
Okay. Ooh, excuse me. How much is this shirt?
That shirt is $20.
Oh, nice. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. It's too small.
Would you like a bigger size?
Yes, please. Do you have this in large?
Yes. Here you go.
Great. I'll take it.
Thank you. Have a great day.
See? Easy, simple English. Anyone can do this. Sometimes the size is not right. Maybe the shirt is too tight. Maybe the shoes are too big. So here are some simple ways to ask. Do you have size small? Do you have size medium? Do you have size large?
And for colors, do you have this in black? Do you have this in red? Do you have this in blue? You can choose any color, like yellow, if you want people to see you from space.
Now let's learn ways to politely accept or refuse help. Politely accept help. Yes, please. Yes, I need help. Can you help me find this? Politely refuse help. No, thank you. Just looking. I'm okay. Thank you. Not right now. Thank you.
Very polite, very friendly, very good for real life. A shopping mall is big. Sometimes we need to ask for places.
Yes, here are useful questions. Where is the restroom? Where is the ATM? Where is the bookstore? Where is the food court? Where is the exit?
Let's practice. Mr. Jack's, where is the restroom?
The restroom is on the second floor, next to the bookstore.
Where is the ATM?
The ATM is on the first floor, near the entrance.
Where is the food court?
The food court is upstairs. Follow the good smell.
Yes, that smell always gives me energy. Now, the best part. Food! Let's teach our listeners how to order food in simple English. Useful sentences. I would like a burger, please. Can I have a small fries? Can I get a large iced tea?
For here or to go?
For here, please.
To go, please.
Let's do a practice conversation. I am the worker. You are the hungry customer. Hello, what would you like to order?
I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
Sure. Anything to drink?
Yes, a small lemonade.
For here or to go?
For go, please.
Great. Your total is $8.
Here you go. Thank you.
Enjoy your food. Okay, everyone. Time for vocabulary. Let's say the word, then explain it. Shopping words. Store or shop. A place to buy things. Mall. A big building with many stores. Price. How much something costs. Sale. Things are cheaper. Cashier. The person who takes your money. Receipt. Paper that shows what you bought. Fitting room. Room to try on clothes. Size. Small. Medium. Large. Color. Red. Blue. Green. Black. Return. Give something back to the store. Buy. Get something with money. Try on. Test clothes. Food court. Place to eat in the mall. ATM. Machine to get money. Okay, everyone. This part is important. Confidence.
Yes, many English learners feel shy to speak, but don't worry, you can do it.
Here are simple tips. Tip 1. Speak slowly.
Slow is okay. Slow is beautiful.
Tip 2. Use simple sentences.
Short sentences are great. Tip 3, smile.
A smile helps everything.
Tip 4, practice the phrases from today.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Tip 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are normal. They help you learn. If you say something wrong, it is okay. You are learning a new language.
That is amazing. Yes, be proud. Speak with confidence. You got this. End of funny scene.
Mr. Jax, what is the funniest thing you ever did at a mall?
One time, I walked into a store, but it was the wrong store. I thought it was a clothing store, but it was a pet store. What? Did you try on a dog sweater? Almost. I picked it up and said, "Oh, this looks nice. Can I try it on?" I almost bought it. Maybe I could wear it on my arm.
Well, fashion is fashion.
And that, my friends, is our big shopping adventure today. You learned greetings, simple shop phrases, asking for sizes, colors, places in the mall, ordering food, and confidence tips.
We hope you had fun and learned a lot. Before you go, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for listening to Easy English with Mr. Jax and Anna.